How to get to New Zealand. 1. Get your passport. 2. Find an employer, 3. Apply visa, 4. Wait for 3-4 weeks, 5. Plane ticket. After that you can enjoy living here, a peaceful and beautiful country. Subscribe my channel for more details and you can ask questions.
Sabi niya, sorry. Guys, nabali sorry. Nag-mixing naman. Bakit? Kasi nahanap niya yung mga tanong. Nasaktan lang doon yun eh. Mali lang yung nagtanong niya. May nilagyan siya na mali.
Ano nangyari doon sa segundo?
Wala, nag-lock yun.